Good morning, Year 6. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and are ready for today's maths lesson. So this morning we are generating a linear sequence from its description, but before that I thought it would be a nice way to start the morning with an emoji maths. I know you really love these. Look really carefully at the emojis, at the operations, and also at the number of emojis. The answers will come up, so if you're not ready, pause now. Okay, so that makes the gorilla 9 each because 9 add 9 is 27, which means the tiger is 5 because 5 add 5 is 19. That makes the lion 7, so 5 add 7 is 17. And then the total, there are 2 gorillas, so 2 lots of 9 are 18. So the 18 lots of 5 because there is only 1 tiger. And then you need to add 14 to that because there are 2 lions, so 2 7s are 14, which makes the overall total 104. Well done if you got that. Okay, so today you need to know that a linear sequence means a list of numbers that increases or decreases by the same amount each time. So, for example, we're going to start with the number 3 and we're going to add 5 each time. So 3 add 5 is 8. We're then going to continue adding 5. So 8 add 5 is 13. 13 add 5 is 18, and 18 add 5 is 23. So our first sequence would be 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. Okay, let's do another one together then. So our start number this time is 5, and our description is add 4. So we're going to add 4 each time. So 5 add 4 would be and then whatever answer you get, add 4 and keep going until these 4 numbers at the bottom are filled up. Okay, so your Do It Today has 5 questions. So there are 5 start numbers. For each of those start numbers, you then need to follow the description on the right-hand side. So that is the rule that you need to follow for each sequence. And in each sequence, I'd like you to write the first 5 terms, so the first 5 numbers. And then your twister is Coco thinks that she has made a linear sequence by adding 4 each time. It goes 3, 7, 15, 27, 43. Is Coco correct? Explain why. So think about what you think she's done. Does it go up in 4 each time? Or do you think it doesn't? So you need to explain why. I've also just noticed there is an extra A in that sentence. Please ignore the first A. Sorry about that. Okay, so the DYU. So Colin is putting paving stones around his ponds, and there are pond A, pond B, pond C, and pond D. Now, if we have a look at the hints that I've put on the slide for you, it says that pond A is 1 square long and it needs 8 paving stones. So the pond is the black part and the paving stones and the white squares around the edge. Pond B is 2 squares long and it needs 10 paving stones around the edge. So if you work out what pond C, which is 3 squares long, and how many paving stones that would be, and then the same for pond D, and have a look at the pattern that you spot there, you then need to try and figure out how many paving stones would be required for a pond if it was 10 squares long, then if it was 20 squares long, and then if it was 100 squares long. Okay, the answers to the Do It, the Twist It and the DYU are about to come up on your screen, so you may need to pause now. Brilliant work today, guys, and that's the end of today's lesson. See you tomorrow. Bye.